We'll guide you through how to combine cells in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, select the cell where you want to have the combined cells, and then go to the top of Excel and go over to the left and click on the FX icon, which is Insert Function. Now all you need to do is go and select concat. You may need to go and search for it at the top here, just like so, and then select it. Now what you can do is first of all choose the first cell you want to combine. In this case, it's this text A, aka A2. And then you can go and click on text 2. Now you can choose here if you wish to have a space or no space in between the cells. In this case, I want to have a space. So therefore you need to go and put speech marks, space, speech marks, like so. And then you can click on text 3 and you can then choose the next cell you want to go and add. In this case, that's B2. And once I've done that, I can then go and click OK. And as you can see, it's now combined them. And because I've got sort of a column which I want to go and combine, I can go to the bottom right of the cell, click, hold and drag, and then drag down and release. And as you can see, we've now combined them.